Coming from Strathroy, Ontario, reporting for Hot for Food, we are here with the Roscoe today, and he is going to try a
meatball sub. Plant-based. Maybe I'll try one of these instead.
No, Roscoe, no. You're here for the plant-based.
Plant-based.
Are you having second thoughts, Roscoe?
No, I'm leaning towards the marinara Beyond Meatball. So I'm going to ask them if they have any vegan cheese.
So you're going to try to make this a full vegan sub?
I'm going to try to make it a full vegan sub.
Yay! It's a big step for you, man.
I haven't eaten many vegan sandwiches, that's for sure.
Does it upset you seeing all these animal products here, Ross?
Well, make me rethink this. Anyway, it's time to order. May I have the Beyond Meatball Marinara, please? Are you selling a lot of these now? No. Okay. Well, I had green peppers, onions, hot peppers, tomatoes, no extra sauces, and they should all be vegan.
And what about the cheese? What happened with the cheese?
No vegan cheese, so I didn't add it. One sub to go. Thank you very much.
What are your expectations right now? Do you think it's going to be good? I mean, what are we hoping for here?
Well, I don't know. Hopefully I don't notice the difference between a real meatball sub and a plant-based one. There we go. Let's open that up. So, you can only see it in there. We'll give it a little bite though. There's a meatball in the end here. A little messy.
First thoughts, what are we thinking?
It's quite tasty so far. Here's a big meatball right here. Let's try that. Wow, it actually tastes like a meatball. You know the frozen ones you get in little cardboard boxes, grocery store? It tastes the same. You would not know that that is not a meatball. That's for sure.
Now, Ross, what about the fact that it was microwaved? Are we concerned about, the texture of the meat and, the fact that it wasn't toasted? Does it taste soggy?
Well, it's a bit cold. It should be heated a bit more, but I don't think I can really take a half-eaten sub back into asking to reheat it, so we'll just have to eat it this way.
Now, the fact that it is actually a bit cold, does that affect the taste at all? Is it gross or is it still good?
Well, it's like anything. It's always a bit better warmer, but it doesn't taste terrible or anything. I'm hungry. Got lots of marinara sauce on here. I'm going to enjoy it.
Could this be a regular part of your diet now? Are you ready to give up meat?
I would say that definitely going to fast food restaurants, I would order the plant-based burger because you can't really tell the difference. And the sub, same way. With the meatball sub here, I would not know that this is not real meat. It's spiced or tastes the same, has the same texture. And with the marinara sauce, it's delicious. The options there, I would take the Beyond Meat.
Ross, you're the kind of guy that doesn't let any small things like a cold sub get you down. Is that correct?
That doesn't bother me too much, no.
Excellent. Well, once again, on behalf of Hot for Food, thank you.
You're welcome.